Intertools is the first value comparison site. In today's video, we have the LifeMax Professional Humidifier. Links in the description below. Let's get into today's video. Quiet in operation, this humidifier is ideal for use in the bedroom for relief and dry air and elevation of respiratory issues. Featuring a high velocity output, pushes particles high into the air to provide enhanced coverage. The simply rotary control offers continual power adjustment with an auto off function. The specifications include the following. The width is 18 cm, the height is 33.3 cm, the depth is 16 cm, and the product weighs 1.1 kg. It has a cable length of 1.6 meters. The material is ABS. It has a range plus, and the colour is white. The features include the following. It has 180 milliliters an hour output with 2.6 litre capacity. It has up to 14 hours running time on full power. It is detector tray for essential oils and fragrance. It has a whisper quiet operation, which is ideal for use in the bedroom or nursery, and has a removable and easy fill water tank. LifeMax is dedicated to the supply of products suitable for the senior market. Their products are developed to bring enjoyment, entertainment and assistance to the generation used to a rapid change and innovative. Their aims are to provide the best possible well-being and assisted products for over 50s and first-class service for their customers. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more products on Intertools.